You heard Miss Heard say, "Get off me," right?
No, I did not. Hitting the wall hard, based on the
We'll just take a look at the next
accusations that she
exhibit, Mr.
brought.
Depp.
I'm sorry, I was talking. Is that all right?
You'd answer my question. We'll take a look at the next exhibit. Thank you.
Yeah. As long as you're happy, sir.
Such a boss that he's wearing shades indoors.
He's bringing all kinds of shades.
Bro, he's bringing
Just all the shade.
I like that.
You didn't want her acting. You wanted to control her career, correct?
Objection, compound.
Objection. She didn't have a career. Alright.
Are you sure about that? Not only did she have a career, she's the only one that kept her career after all this crap. Rest in spaghetti.
For political reasons, yeah.
Yeah, apparently.
Whatever.
Apparently, there was stuff that came out that Disney was trying to get him back, like pay him to come back, and he said no.
He said he would never go back to Disney.
It wasn't for whatever reason.
And
It was literally for no reason that
Yeah.
Disney dropped him.
Yeah.
They didn't even drop him. If you look at it, he said that they never told him he was off Pirates. They told someone else that Johnny Depp wasn't part of Pirates of the Caribbean anymore.
Even a bitchier move.
And he was never told, it was never confirmed.
Wow.
Nothing was ever brought up to him.
Oh, I wonder when the next Pirates of the Caribbean movie is going to be made.
Never!
At the age of 12, finding the only thing that gave me peace, which is playing the guitar. Very unlikely. Why didn't I start lopping off digits when I was 13 then?
Just the way it was worded. Now, Miss Heard was.
Objection, relevance. What's the relevance?
Dude, I want to fly. They're in Cali, right? I think the trial's in Cali. I don't know. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the trial's in Cali. But I want to fly to Cali just to be in there.
The court?
I want to be in the room, bro.
Do any of you feel bad for this guy?
Dude, his name is fucking Mr. Rottenborne.
Besides that, do you feel bad for him?
Because it is his job to technically kind of
Defend his
The
defender.
thing is, he has nothing to do.
Dude, his name is Mr. Rottenborne.
But,
I'm just saying.
I don't care about the name.
It's like he's doing his job. That's the thing.
He's doing a shitty job.
But
Because that's all he can do.
Because everything
His name is Mr.
there's
Rottenborne.
literally nothing right about what Amber Heard's side.
And honestly, they're probably arguing a bad job on
If
purpose.
his last name was like Smith, maybe he would do a better job.
No, he would just go up and slap.
That was good.
That was good.
But yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure like him and the other lawyers are both kind of doing it on purpose.
Dude, look at his fucking hair, bro.
I don't know. I just,
Why do you make fun of his appearance? I think it's
Well,
kind of
nigga,
fun.
you know-
why do you have to make fun of his appearance? We're talking about the.
I'm sorry,
the weight,
bro.
The weight on
But
his shoulders.
He
having to
looked like he
defend.
was bred in a lab, bro. I'm sorry. With a name with Mr.
I think
Rottenborne,
it's good.
you're set up for fucking failure.
nice comb over, you know.
Stop, bro.
I got
You stop. Wait, right?
Yeah, and your comb over looks better than his.
Hearsay, Your Honor.
Hearsay.
Objection.
Motherfucker looked like he was fucking a touch of gray for men, and it didn't work.
All right. Well, you gotta leave his looks alone. I'm not talking
All right,
about
my
his
bad. All right, you
his
know what?
looks or whatever.
Hearsay,
though.
man.
There could be a fat roly-poly guy being the
Dude, this motherfucker's
Dude.
a square, bro.
That's fine, but I'm talking about the weight on his shoulders having to defend someone who's indefendable, and he's trying everything in his power. He knows he looks like a fool.
Dude,
He knows because he's obviously smart enough to be in that position in the first place.
Bro, that
Well,
paycheck-
maybe not. Hold on.
That paycheck is fat as fuck.
Yeah, it's
Because he's really gonna publicly humiliate himself to defend somebody who's indefendable.
The other girl is like way worse.
I haven't even seen
The older lady.
Really?
Yeah,
I thought that was only him.
oh, it was the lady too.
I didn't even see the lady, bro.
Maybe we'll
This
see.
is crazy.
Oh, hopefully, bro. I thought it was only the dude, Mr. Rottenborne.
Let's see.
If that is your fucking real name.
2018, 6 months before the Inside the Trials of Johnny Depp. Did I read that right?
You did. You should read the article. It's
And the last
wonderful.
one, The last one, June 22nd, 2018. The day Allison Boshoff reveals why Hollywood's reeling over what's being called Johnny Depp's career note. Did I read that correctly?
You did. Who's Alison Boshoff and how does she know?
Mr. Depp, you can't name
Oh, it
a
won't
single
answer,
actress. No further questions.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, why don't we go ahead and take our morning recess for 15 minutes? Do not.
Sean Bailey, who was the number 3.
Objection, hearsay.
I don't know yet. I'll overrule it at this point.
Thank you.
May I continue, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Just basically said in the...
Objection, hearsay.
Your
What
Honor,
Sean Bailey said.
this is about him
It's in
learning
an
about this.
article.
It's not for the truth.
It is the truth. She's
If
asking.
you want to approach.
Mr. Depp, could you please explain to the jury who Sean Bailey is? I think you were starting to.
Yes, I'll try again. Sean Bailey was quoted as saying that...
Objection, hearsay.
I was just checking his watch. Every time he looks up at Johnny Depp, objection, you say, it's like, oh, okay. Objection. I swear to God, man.
Why does he have to stand at attention to say hearsay?
I think you have to stand to object, don't you?
I guess, yeah.
Don't you? No, I think you can sit in the.
I don't know how that court works.
I've never been in court, so I don't know.
Nick, I don't think you have to stand at a 90-degree angle to say here's fucking say. This is hearsay. Next.
90-degree angle.
Hearsay, Your Honor.
180. My bad. Like I said, that was
He's turned 180. He'd be turned to the people in the back. They wouldn't be looking at him.
no, but is it straight up you being 180 degrees?
Or just 0 degrees? Dude, I don't know, man.
No, because if a 90 is a right angle,
If a 90 is right angle,
Yeah,
then 180 would be that way. You'll be facing
no,
backwards.
what?
0 would be here.
Let us know. Nick.
Or 270.
360. Upside down.
Stupid.
Somehow, Josh is on the floor. Don't ask.
Had nothing to do with the bit I'm reacting to.
The interview with him.
Objection, lack of foundation.
I'll overrule the objection. Go ahead.
Mr. Depp,
Had been approached to take part in writing
Objection,
Pirate
hearsay.
6.
last week Mr. Rottenborne asked you about a quote where you said you wouldn't come back to the Pirates franchise for $300 million and 1 million alpacas. Do you remember that?
I do.
What? Do you recall when specifically you made that statement about the $300 million and the 100 alpacas?
Objection, asked and answered.
Overruled. All right.
Mr. Depp, do you recognize this document?
As soon as my eyes go on, I hopefully will. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I'm so pathetic when it comes to knowing what movies I've done. I'm sorry. I just, I don't watch them.
I found him to be very interesting, but he doesn't watch his own
Really?
movies.
I mean, he's not the only actor that's like that.
I know, but I just find that to be very interesting. That like, what the fuck? Like, I would have thought that. I would have thought that like.
Because I've seen videos of him in public. He's extremely like. I'm just trying to frame. Think of a frame.
I think you were in front of me before.
Was I? Oh,
Yeah.
no, I really am a frame.
Yeah.
But yeah, no. If you see videos of him in public, what's wrong? Oh, you trying to get a friend too?
Yeah.
Yeah, but he's always seemed like it's like
Persona?
no, it's like even I'm like that sometimes. I don't like watching the videos that I make myself cringe, even though I'm not even doing anything sometimes. Just like
Look at that ugly guy.
yeah, this is what I'm saying.
If you were a famous actor, would you watch your movies?
Well, I guess it's another thing because he doesn't care about his fame. He's not. To him, I'm not really trying to speak for him. He views it as an art form. He doesn't view it as a performance. He views it beyond that. So.
Would you watch your own? Well, no, you
I
didn't.
literally
You
just
didn't watch the videos.
I barely watch it.
Yeah,
I hate editing.
mine.
You watch your movies if you were an actor?
Yeah, I probably would. You know?
Yeah, I don't watch my movies too.
You didn't know what could cause damage to Mr. Depp's hand while you were there on March 8th, correct?
Dr. Kipper told me he sustained an injury on one of his
Well,
fingers.
objection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question.
Oh,
He
okay.
just subjected himself.
injury to his finger.
One of his
Well,
fingers.
objection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question.
Okay, you said he sustained a...
Oh no, the video ended.
Yo.
I just love how like Johnny Depp and his lawyer, they both are just like cracking jokes at everything,
Wait,
and they're like eating candy too.
This nigga's dumb as fuck, bro.
Basically,
Is your name
Billy.
Hearsay, goddammit. Your name's not
Pablo.
God damn it.
He
Using these
objected himself.
aliases. He should have just fucking addressed him as fucking Jack Sparrow and just said hearsay, goddammit. That would have had more merit than. Jack Sparrow, hey, hearsay.
No yawning in the court.
Ow.
Get bullied, man.
Well, you know what I'm saying? That was all for this video.